Ever felt that exasperation when you try to expand and model this account and everything's failed? If you have experience with various static and still aren't seeing intangible outcomes, this video is for you. Today I will review the technique that finally lifted me from zero and can transform your approach as well. I've got a special treat just for you. Stay tuned until the end of the video and you will be blown away. For such as bound balance, guys, we use a quick strategy, the time frame of the candles and time frame 15 seconds. Okay, in this indicator section I include a fractal and two more average lines. I use these three indicators to find profitable signals today in the fractal using moving average. Okay, so first of all, on the fractal we are good. Set up this to 3 on period and with the style, click on save. For the first moving average we're gonna use 4 on periods, right? If you want to use 2 on thickness, well, you will use blue. For the second one, 8 on periods and the style pink and 2 on thickness. Okay, now we have all the indicators set up. I can scroll chart and currency and look for interesting situation. Today we trade on our currencies. It doesn't make a difference, so let's get started together. Okay, and so the expiration time for my forecast will be 1 minute. So we start with the amount of $5 and my first one will be open with down. I press the red button right now. We will start explaining to you what I'm doing. I found interesting currency in which I saw your open fractal a couple of minutes ago. This green arrow right here, guys, means that a trend has reached maximal and the correction starting. When you see the green arrow, the price will fall, and when we have red arrow, the price will rise. After the fractal open, I started waiting for intersection the moving average lines, and it started happening a few seconds ago. Look at this, the blue line crosses the purple line and continues to move down. That is the intersection line. It can be seen very well. Right now this factor is the main one for me, and after crossing I open my forecast. According to the system we will open trades today. It's elementary, my friends, it's very simple, and then it's almost past it and see the moment continue and my first trade giving me a profit. Okay, look at that, guys, is really good start. Keep in mind, this is just one of the main strategies that can revolutionize your path into the market. To reach out the professional level, mastering the most profitable strategies is crucial. But don't fret, I've created 2 exclusive pieces of content that will be pivotal for your growth. Stick with me until the end of the video and enjoy it. And look at that, we got $10, and that's a really amazing good start. I'm showing you a real example. Right now the line is starting to intersect and I'm going to open my new forecast here. I open trade up for 1 minute because I see a red fractal. It has just opened it. And as I said before, I open a trade on after seeing the intersection of the lines of both moving average. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategies that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. Now we're just waiting for the results. Okay? Guys, I think we understand the meaning of this strategy. Really simple method, but now let's talk about the rule science. There is a fast strategy and everything's changed every 10 seconds. Very often beginners make mistake when opening a trade. The most important thing is to get a good entry point, and in order for you to do this, is need to take your time. When the line crosses, you need to wait for at least 5 to 10 seconds. Okay? For you don't make a fake signal in moments of the candle with good against you. I won't be able to give a persistent right because only get it with a practice. Okay, and look at that, guys, another win, and we got now $17, almost 18, at least 4 cents for $18. Okay, and that is amazing. Let's do the next one. Okay, one more signal, guys, and let's just watch this. Okay, everything works the same, like everything occurred to destruction. We have the red fractal, we got the moving average line right here, get intersected by ourselves. Okay, that is amazing for us. All right, let's wait for the results. Okay guys, 3 trades in a row, made a profit. My balance is already almost $32. I could stop, my friend, I could stop, but I want to take the risk 2 more times. Okay, I will continue to trade it, and let's find another one to get this. Now I want to give you a couple of those about the balance and money management. Some will think that if I made $32 off $6 right now, and you can earn that 2 out of $6 in a 10 or 20 minutes. And theoretically, this is true, but the change that you will do this is very small because it's a risk trade. Today I'm risking my entire balance to multiply the amounts in each trade. I'm not afraid to lose my money, and I'm trying to catch a wide strike. It's a good option when you have a little money and you can't afford to play with a balance like that. But if you want to trade steadily and understand what's going on, you better choose this longer strategy and better analysis, guys. In general, this method is good to multiply the bounce and try luck. If it's due to you, then use it without a small amount. Alright? Remember that. And look at that, guys, respect another one. Okay? And we got this. Look at that. Almost $60 in my account right now. Okay guys, so look at the spots right here and look at the indicators. Look at the slides. Alright? Let's make another trick here and summarize the results. We have the same situation on it. Alright? We have the red fractal, we got the intersection on the moving average line, and just wait for the results. Alright? Hey, wait a minute, before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple, leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. And so, what can I say, guys? My balance is more than $100. I earned this money with a starting capital of $6. I multiplied my balance almost 16 times in a few minutes. So we not say that is a stable strategy. It's a guaranteed strategy, but it's definitely got metal to multiply capital and play with the sums, play with the bounce. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was useful for you. Try to submit and write your results in the comments. It's very interesting for me. So right now, I wish you good luck, I wish you good profits, good trade sessions, and I wish you more profits, and see you soon on the next video, guys. Bye bye.